Hey there folks, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So today's video is just a quick trade example on the British Pound USD using my day trading method and the price pro indicator. So you can see if you've went through my Udemy course, the new one, you can access this course via the link below. You will learn how to actually trade this manually without the indicator. But the actually access the indicator, we'll talk about that later. So let's look at the charts. So we're in a trade on the British Pound USD. You can see this is a live account. Tap there, Fantasy's live. What's happened is we've got the price zone drawn on the hourly chart. Indicators give us the price zone. We have got the divergence on the 1 minute and divergence on the 5 minute, which gives us the entry signal. Stop loss is, I'm going under this zone here, so down here under this low here. So I am, and target, looking to target up here today. But as always, I will pay attention to the indicator on the lower time frames to see about getting out if it's telling me to get out. But you can see the trade here, very nice trade down the bottom of the move from the 1 minute charts. You can see price slowing down, a lot of divergence signals happening. MACD indicators giving us the signals inside area of interest that the price pro indicator has determined here on the 1 hour. 5 minute also, we have one divergence signal here, and this arrow appeared just outside the zone, but we got in down here. Okay, down here with the divergence, we're on the live account, 0.5. We've got our stop loss in the market, we've got our take profit in up here, and just simply going to allow this trade to run today. So it's a live trade on the British Pound USD. All factors met to enter. Yeah, that's it. So to access the indicator, done for you indicator, Price Pro, there will be a link below, or a big button to say buy now. So click that. Any questions, get in contact with me at will@fxas.com, and again, happy trading.